We are live. We are live. We are live.
Good afternoon. Fancy seeing you again.
Yeah, it's nice to
Yeah,
see you too, man. Nice to
we,
see you too.
we
Feels
do get
like
some
deja
stuff
vu.
done. We do work in, but, yeah, we
Yeah,
get stuff done.
yeah, we
So
do.
no, it's a great idea to jump on. I think there's been some high impact news this week, and I'm sure you can talk us through gold now. But we're at some all time highs, so yes, should
Yeah.
be a good chat. And be a bit of a passenger today. I'm gonna probably bounce off around 20, 30 minutes. So
No,
I'll
it's
let you
great
on.
to have you on with us. And I mean, you are kind of like the gold expert, the main resident gold expert, and it's just been going crazy the last 2 days.
Yeah,
Um,
not much of an expert today. After that talk on emotions earlier, I just went
yeah.
full tilt on gold sell, not really identifying the top. So yeah, we're back. We're back to ground zero with a challenge on Monday.
Yeah. Well, hey, look, you did send me a chart not too long ago, and I saw another trade that you took. So it's all a learning process, and we keep talking about that. It's just one good trade followed by one good trade followed by one good trade, and that's what you did. So kudos to you. And it's not easy trading live on YouTube. I surely don't have that sort of confidence yet, so I'm going to wrap up this show before the market opens. But yeah, I mean, you've done really well with these morning shows, and you've motivated me, Andrew. So let's jump on right before the market starts and have a look at what's going on. So last day of the week, we call it Capital Preservation Friday. So we're trying our best not to give back any of our profits from earlier in the week. As you very well know, it's easy to give back profits, but we can have a quick look at some of the charts and see what things have been moving. Like we said earlier, we looked at gold. So this one's just been going. I mean, I keep having to move the all-time high level. Like it feels like every 5 minutes, it's just hitting a new all-time high. Before we started, the all-time high was 25.77, and we've just blown through that again. Just incredible. I wanna put on a long-term position on this as well. Like go through maybe set some positions over the course of today, because I mean, in terms of upside, if we continue going higher, let's say we just keep moving like how we have the last 2-3 days. I mean, we're talking 3,000 gold. That might be a little bit too optimistic, Andrew. But imagine we get up to 3,000 by end of year.
Well,
Nice to have a
I
little
said
bit.
in the show this morning, like you called it perfectly some time ago. So I wouldn't be surprised. I would take your lead on that for sure.
Yeah.
I do think we will see a retest or some retracement for sure.
Yeah.
Looking at, well, you're on the monthly chart, so I think
Yeah.
definitely in November we'll see some uncertainty in the markets. We might see a little bit of chop there, but yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Before me, for a day trader, the next key level would be 2.6.
Yes.
A
Okay.
bit
Yeah.
more
Yeah. Yeah.
like psychological level there. If we can
Yeah. I
get
could
through
see that. Yeah.
we could get the next all-time high.
Yeah. I could see that coming very, very quickly. And I think we basically have our fingers on the pulse from a day-to-day perspective. We're able to kind of catch the intricate moves in gold, like you were looking at this morning. It did move quite a lot. But if we look at like the last few weeks, it's been up 2.5%. The last 7 days. For the month, it's up 4%. The last 3 months, 12%. So it's really doing well. It really is.
Yeah, no, excellent return. Be good to actually perhaps overlay the Bitcoin with that. I don't
Yeah.
know, because Bitcoin's down,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, we can have a look at Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin here, got a couple lines hanging about. So Bitcoin, comparing Bitcoin to gold, it's up for the week, but down for the month, more than 4%, down for the quarter, and also down for the half year.
Yeah, year to date, quite similar gains. Yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting to see that. Yeah.
Yeah, interesting to see the final, I guess the final 3 months of 2024. Where do we go? You know, who's gonna outperform? And it'll be interesting. I don't know. They could both do well. They could both kind of work together and push each other up. We'll have to see. But yeah, Bitcoin, it did do, so just having a quick look at Bitcoin, it did do a little bit of a channel. So it was kind of bouncing around back and forth in here. So I think a lot of people kind of got chopped up a little bit.
Yeah.
Very difficult to trade Bitcoin. But support down here under 50,000. And then if we can move up here, looking at like closer to 70,000. Just been churning.
Yeah, I think it's some risky buys around 50k. I'd keep the stop loss small. You know, could be good opportunity to get back up to 65, 67. But I think if we confidently break 50k, we could be seeing a bit of a downside to Bitcoin. But haven't been following it lately. Haven't been following any crypto, to be honest. Just been focused on futures with gold.
Yeah, and rightly so. I mean, I would much rather focus on one thing and do really well with it than try and chase everything that walks and do average or lose money, essentially. So I've been doing the same thing with S&P. So if you have a quick look at S&P 500, this is the one that I usually look at, similar to how you would trade gold on a day-to-day. I look at this on a day-to-day, and I tend not to veer too far away from it. So we're coming up to about 2 minutes, just about 2 minutes away from the open, Andrew. And S&P 500 is just near the Asian range. So I basically like to look at where the lows were and where the highs were overnight, and use that as like a guide for where to go. And then
it's
obviously
a good strategy. You know, it does work well. You know, once you understand it. With box breakout, like I say, I used it myself on Australian Canadian dollar, and I found it really good for that. Good for an easy 100 points. So when I was trading forex. Yeah,
some people say that it's too boring. They don't like how they just have to wait, and there's not a lot of moving parts to it. But I don't mind boring as long as it works. That's all that really matters to me. You know,
exactly that. You know, it's about capital. End of the day, that's what we do this for, right? You know, if you want excitement, take yourself down to the casino or something, right? You can have more fun.
That's not what we're doing. That's not what we're paid for.
Spend enough, you'll get free drinks. So good day out.
Yeah, there you go. Just looking down here at the other sort of outperformers. Looks like oil's finally having a bit of a good day. It was under 70 for a long time. So it looks like it's one of the better performers in the pre-market. Still see gold here up 1%, which is great for gold. 30 seconds left, Andrew. 30 seconds until we see the opening bell. And I'm gonna get ready to pop off as well in a minute. But anything that you're looking at for the rest of the day, or are you more or less wrapped up with your trading for today?
Yeah, I'm done for today. Just homework for the weekend. So looking into something called VWAP. Yeah, which is
yes.
What's it called? Volume weighted average price. So it sparked my interest. So homework for the weekend is having a look at that, understanding it, how you trade it, and what I'll probably do then is run some trades using VWAP next week on a demo account, but we'll stream it live as well so people can see the results.
Yeah, that would be fun. That would be really fun to do. I am aware of VWAP. I do use it from time to time, but not consistently. So it'll be nice. That would be good. I know there are a lot of people who are looking to get more information about VWAP, and I think that would be really useful.
Yeah, no, that'll be great. So I'm gonna jump off. Short and sweet from myself, and I'll catch up with you Monday morning. Coffee ready.
Yeah, that sounds good, man. That sounds great. Thanks, Andrew. Thanks for popping on. I'll have my coffee in hand as well for Monday. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed.
Excellent. Thanks, Mandela. Have a great weekend.
Thanks, Andrew. You too, man. Take care. Thanks. Yeah, not a whole lot more from me. I'm gonna jump on the actual trading. see what Friday has in store, but it's always capital preservation on Fridays. I tend not to go too aggressive, too risk on Fridays. It's not worth it. We've worked hard all week. Let's keep our profits and let's keep our gains secure. If there's opportunities, then yes, we'll go for it. Thank you everybody else for watching. Really appreciate you and your time. Trying this new format out, and open to suggestions, feedback. Just let us know. If there is anything that you'd like to see from us, then we're always happy to oblige. Also, contact us at info@signaturefxa.com. We can give you, give you some ideas of what we do, what we look for, and maybe there's something that we can do to help you. And it's all about working together in this thing we call the market. So everybody, have a great day. Enjoy your trading day. Remember, capital preservation is the name of the game. My name is Mandela. We had Andrew on. We are Signature FX. Take care, and we'll see you next time.